Pakistan, a land of towering mountains and fertile valleys, holds many hidden treasures. From the rugged peaks of the north to the lush plains of the south, this country is a mosaic of natural beauty and cultural richness. Each region has its own unique charm, but today we turn our attention to a lesser-known marvel. One such gem is Kot Addu, a city nestled in the heart of Punjab province. Often overshadowed by its more famous neighbours, Kot Addu is a place that quietly thrives, offering a blend of history, culture and modernity. Located on the banks of the mighty Indus River, Kot Addu is a place where the raw beauty of nature meets the dynamism of industrial progress. The river, a lifeline for the region, has shaped the landscape and the lives of those who call this place home. This unique blend makes it a fascinating destination, brimming with stories waiting to be told. From ancient tales of the Indus Valley civilization to modern-day achievements, Kot Addu is a tapestry of narratives that span centuries. Often overlooked, Kot Addu plays a vital role in Pakistan's economy. Its industries, ranging from textiles to energy production, are the backbone of the local economy, providing jobs and driving growth. Its fertile lands provide sustenance, its industries power the nation, and its strategic location connects people and goods. The agricultural sector here is particularly noteworthy, with vast fields of wheat, sugarcane and cotton stretching as far as the eye can see. But beyond its economic significance lies a world of natural wonders, a testament to the resilience of life in the face of adversity. The diverse ecosystems here support a variety of wildlife, from migratory birds to indigenous plant species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Join me as we delve into the heart of Kot Addu, exploring its diverse landscapes, its vibrant culture and its inspiring story of growth and transformation. From the bustling markets to the serene riverbanks, Kot Addu is a place where tradition and progress walk hand in hand, offering a glimpse into the soul of Punjab. Just a stone's throw from Kot Addu's bustling city centre, where the hum of daily life never seems to cease, lies an unexpected sanctuary. This emerald oasis, known as the lush forest, offers a stark contrast to the urban hustle and bustle. This sprawling woodland, a sanctuary of serenity, stretches out like a green carpet, inviting visitors to lose themselves in its tranquil embrace. It stands in stark contrast to the arid plains that surround it, a vivid reminder of nature's resilience and beauty. The dense canopy of trees, a rich tapestry of greens and browns, creates a living mosaic that changes with the seasons. As sunlight filters through the leaves, it casts intricate patterns on the forest floor, a dance of light and shadow that enchants all who witness it. Lashariwala is not just a visual delight, it is a haven for a surprising diversity of wildlife, each species playing a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. Graceful deer dart through the undergrowth, their movements almost poetic as they navigate the dense foliage, their ears twitching at the slightest sound, ever alert to the presence of both friend and foe. Colourful birds flit between branches, their vibrant plumage adding splashes of colour to the green canvas. Their melodic calls echo through the trees, creating a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. And in the cool shade of the forest floor, where the sunlight barely reaches, reptiles and insects go about their daily routines, each one a tiny cog in the grand machinery of this unique ecosystem. Their lives intricately woven into the fabric of this forest, they contribute to the delicate balance that sustains this vibrant habitat. However, this tranquil paradise faced a formidable foe in 2021, a devastating forest fire that threatened to erase this natural wonder. The flames, fueled by dry undergrowth and fanned by strong winds, raged uncontrollably, consuming everything in their path. They swept through the forest, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake, a stark reminder of nature's vulnerability. The air grew thick with smoke, choking the life out of the once vibrant ecosystem. And the once vibrant ecosystem fell silent in a haunting silence that spoke of loss and devastation. The lifeblood of Kot Addu, and indeed much of Pakistan, is the Indus River. This river, one of the longest in the world, stretches over 3,000 kilometers, originating from the Tibetan plateau and winding its way through the majestic landscapes of the Himalayas before reaching the Arabian Sea. Its journey is not just a geographical marvel, but a historical one, having nurtured ancient civilizations and modern communities alike. Its waters, flowing down from the Himalayas, have sustained civilizations for millennia. The river's origins in the snow-capped peaks are a reminder of the natural cycles that feed this mighty waterway, providing life and sustenance to the regions it traverses. The Indus has been a cradle of culture, commerce and agriculture, shaping the lives of millions. And it is here, in Kot Addu, that the mighty Indus is tamed by an engineering marvel, the Taunsa Barrage. This structure stands as a beacon of human ingenuity, a testament to our ability to adapt and thrive in the face of nature's challenges. The barrage is not just a dam, it is a complex system designed to manage the river's flow and harness its potential. This colossal structure, a testament to human ingenuity, serves a dual purpose. It is both a guardian and a provider, regulating the river's flow to prevent floods while ensuring a steady supply of water for irrigation. The gates of the barrage are meticulously controlled to balance these needs, demonstrating the precision and care involved in its operation. It regulates the flow of the Indus, ensuring a steady supply of water for irrigation, transforming arid plains into fertile fields. The irrigation channels branching out from the barrage are lifelines for the agricultural sector, turning once barren lands into productive farms that feed the nation. This transformation is a testament to the power of water management and its impact on food security. At the same time, it acts as a bulwark against floods, protecting communities and crops from the river's unpredictable wrath. The barrage's flood control capabilities are crucial, especially during the monsoon season when the river swells with rainwater. By managing these surges, the Taunsa barrage safeguards lives and livelihoods, preventing the devastation that unchecked floods can bring. The Taunsa barrage is not just a feat of engineering, it is a lifeline for millions. The people who live and work near the barrage depend on its reliable performance. Farmers, in particular, benefit immensely from the consistent water supply, which allows them to cultivate crops year-round. This stability has transformed the region's economy and improved the quality of life for countless families. It is a symbol of human resilience, a testament to our ability to harness the power of nature for the betterment of humanity. The Taunsa barrage stands as a reminder of what we can achieve when we work in harmony with the natural world, using our knowledge and skills to create solutions that benefit all. As the sun sets over the barrage, it casts a golden glow on a structure that embodies hope, progress, and the enduring spirit of human innovation. Kot Addu lies in the heart of Pakistan's Punjab province, a region characterized by its extreme climate. The summers here are long and unforgiving, the sun beating down with relentless intensity. Temperatures soar to dizzying heights, often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, testing the limits of human endurance. Winters, in contrast, are short and mild, offering a brief respite from the heat. But the defining feature of Kot Addu's climate is its aridity. Rainfall is scarce and unpredictable, a precious commodity in this parched landscape. Life here has adapted to these harsh conditions, showcasing nature's remarkable resilience. Despite the challenges posed by its arid climate, Kot Addu boasts a thriving agricultural sector. The fertile lands surrounding the city, nourished by the waters of the Indus River, have been transformed into a patchwork of fields and orchards. Here, farmers toil tirelessly, their livelihoods intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Wheat, the staple food of Pakistan, is the dominant crop, its golden waves rippling in the breeze. Cotton, too, thrives in this climate, its fluffy bolls a common sight. And in the shade of date palm groves, mangoes, citrus fruits, and pomegranates flourish, their sweet scents filling the air. Section 6. Powering Pakistan, the Rise of Industry. While agriculture forms the backbone of Kot Addu's economy, the city has also witnessed significant industrial growth in recent decades. Towering structures now punctuate the skyline, symbols of progress and a testament to the city's strategic importance. The Kot Addu Power Company, a behemoth of a plant, illuminates countless homes and businesses across Pakistan, its turbines humming with relentless energy. The Pak Arab Oil Refinery, a testament to international collaboration, processes crude oil, fueling the nation's growth. These industries provide employment opportunities, attracting people from far and wide, contributing to the city's vibrant tapestry. Section 7. Connecting the country, transport and trade. Kot Addu's strategic location, at the crossroads of major trade routes, has played a pivotal role in its development. The city is well connected by road and rail, facilitating the transport of goods and people. The National Highway, a ribbon of asphalt that snakes its way across Pakistan, passes through Kot Addu, connecting it to major cities. The railway network further enhances its connectivity, facilitating trade and commerce. This strategic location has transformed Kot Addu into a bustling hub of activity, a place where people from all walks of life converge, their stories interweaving to create a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. Section 8. Rising from the ashes, a testament to resilience. The 2021 forest fire was a stark reminder of the fragility of nature, but it also showcased the remarkable resilience of life. From the ashes of destruction, new life is emerging, a testament to the enduring power of nature's regenerative abilities. Green shoots are pushing their way through the scorched earth, a symbol of hope and renewal. Birdsong is returning to the forest, a symphony of life defying the odds. The people of Kot Addu, too, have shown remarkable resilience, coming together to support each other and rebuild their lives. Section 9. Kot Addu. A symphony of nature and progress. Kot Addu is a city of contrasts where the serenity of nature coexists with the dynamism of industrial progress. From the emerald embrace of Lashariwala forest to the towering structures of its power plants, Kot Addu embodies a unique blend of natural beauty and human endeavour. This hidden gem in the heart of Punjab offers a glimpse into the soul of Pakistan, a land of resilience, resourcefulness and boundless potential. It is a place where challenges are met with determination and where the human spirit, like the phoenix, rises from the ashes, stronger and more vibrant than ever before.